Hello friends, this is Vishal and welcome to the average workshop 1. Right? We'll be solving a couple of questions here. So this is our first question. The average age of 5% in a committee is increased by 2 years, and when a woman aged 35 years is substituted by a man, find the age of the man, right? So before solving this problem, I would like to tell you a few things. Just try to focus on this first. Okay? Here. To increase the average by p in a p value, okay, to increase the average by a p value, say it may be 6, 5 or anything, okay, we need to add this n plus p, n into p, sorry, in the group of n terms, where n is number of terms, p is the value by which average needs to be increased, right? I have already written here, like see, if number of terms is equal to 3 and the value with which average is to be increased is 2, okay, then we need to add 2 into 3, 6 into the group of, say, a1, a2, a3, right? Suppose this a1, a2, a3 is a group of 3 numbers, okay, so number of terms becomes 3, and here the average is to be increased by value 2, which is p, okay, so we need to add 2 into 3. Now here this is p, excuse me, this is p, okay, and this is n, right? So let's see. Yeah, now earlier, say a was the average, like a1 plus a2 plus a3 by 3, right? Now we are increasing the average by 2, so we need to add plus 6. 6 is to be needs to be added, like I wrote there, okay. Now various situations are possible. Let's see. Suppose we add 6 in a1, whereas a2 and a3 remains unaltered, okay. Then a1, a2, a3, a2 is increased by 6, whereas a1, a3 remains unaltered. Here a1, a2, a3, here we are adding 6 in a3, a2, a3 remains unaltered, right? Or we may write it like this: 1, 5, 0. See, there are various other cases also. In all the cases, the average is going to increase by value 2, okay. Now let's move to our question. The question is here: the average age of 5 persons in a committee is increased by 2 years. Suppose A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 are 5 members, and let's say A5 is of 35 years. Okay, here we are to increase the average by 2, so P becomes 2, and total 5 terms are there, so N becomes 5. So we need to add P into N, that is 10, into the group. Now, as I just taught you, the case can be like, right? So this is nothing but, this can be interpreted as the new term is increased by 10 value. That is, a man who is substituting woman is older than her by 10 years, right? So age of man will be what? Man will be 35 plus 10, that is 45. Answer, right? Now let's see question number 2. Here in a class there are 20 boys whose average age is decreased by 3 months. When one boy is 19 years, it's replaced by a new boy, right? This is again the same case. Here there are 20 boys like A1, A2, A3, A4, A20, up to 20, right? Let's say this 20th boy is of 19 years, right? Now here the average age is decreased by 3 months. Why? Right? When this boy is replaced by a new one. So how much we need to subtract? That is again P into N. Just a minute. Right? P into N. Here P is what? 3 months. And N is what? 20. So which comes to be 60 months. And that is how much year? 5 years. Right? So we can say it like, this is unaltered, this is unaltered, this is unaltered, and this is altered by minus 5 years, right? So the answer is age of new boy will be 19 minus 5 years, that is equal to 14 years. So this is how we solve such problems, right? So thanks for watching.